If you enjoy spending time alone, what type of person are you?
Inverter.
Anong hayop ang nagsisimula sa letter T?
Tao.
Ano ang pinakamatandang bangko sa Pilipinas?
Power bank.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns.
On the street.
Sinong kumanta niyan, boss?
Jackie Chan?
Kung krimen ang maging gwapo, ilang years kang makukulong?
Forever.
In Greek mythology, who is considered the god of the seas?
Dogong?
In which country would you find the Great Wall of China?
Gon. India.